Alright, guys. Yeah, today I'm actually doing a YouTube video for a location where we stay. This is just to show you that the South African government, especially Cape Town, has actually abandoned their community. Look at the place where we live. You just look at how dirty this place is. They just don't care, understand? They do things and they don't mind, they do things. Look at this. Look at how painful it is to live in such a place like this. Can you really live in a place like this? It's so smelling and stinky. When you wake up in the morning, you can't even do nothing, right? I'm just in front of my house. This is my house. But I built myself such a beautiful house. But then the thing is, people don't care. You understand? The government, the community don't care. That's how they live their lives. The whole area, as you can see here, that's how they did. It is just terrible, terrible, terrible. I don't wanna lie. It's not a good sign for people. Really, you look at the place. Look at the place how they actually did the whole place. It is not good at all. Hi, how are you? All right, all right, all right. Yeah. So I just hope that the government can do something. How can people be living in a place like this, where you see they are not looking after the community. This is a driveway. They're supposed to have a tie road, for people to have what you call, to have a nice, entry when they actually enter into their houses. Look at the place how they are, how it is, and I mean, look, in terms of everything, it's not a good sign. Understand? It's not a good sign. You can't live. You can't let the government and people live in such a place like this. You can't. It's so disturbing. They are not looking at the community, but people are paying tax. They do everything on a monthly basis. They take their money and they do everything, but they can't look after the place.
Which side are we going to?
Straight up.
This
Look,
side?
yeah.
That side. There's people also that side. There's people also that
No,
side.
let's go this
You
way.
go that side.
Now look at the potholes. These are potholes. These are potholes. Look at these potholes.
I'm not afraid of this place.
Ari?
I didn't say it's a very dangerous place. You can't go there.
For us, we can walk anyway. Are you scared? For us, we can walk anyway. You're scared. I'm not a drug dealer, boss, so I can walk anyway. Yeah. So yeah, it's so disappointing. Look at this. These are all potholes, right? And you can imagine the cars are driving, on a daily basis. But look at the place how it is.
Guys, guys.
Babes,
Show your house.
the lights are back. Let me quickly go switch on the lights.
Show your house and then you show the other house.
Yes. Can you hold this for me, babe? Yeah.
Can you go with that
Yes,
side?
I'm gonna do
There,
that
but
with
that
you.
house looks so dirty.
Exactly.
Show your house and show their house.
It's not right what they are doing. because
No,
they are eating
I
our
switched it
money.
off. I switched it off. Go inside.
You did?
Yeah, I did switch it off.
How is going, babe? How did you do that?
How do you do it then? I thought I switched it off. Switch it off and then start again.
Okay, let me quickly go and switch off the power is back. Yeah, they benefit always. They benefit. No, I don't. How am I benefiting? Aren't we benefiting? How? How are we benefiting?
Everyone is working and everyone must work. So
Exactly. How are we benefiting?
and stop blaming the government.
How are we
Stop
benefiting?
blaming other people who are making it for themselves.
Exactly.
You must stand up and make it for yourself as well. And stop blaming other
Exactly.
people.
Exactly.